Daddy's got a question for you. How was swimming?
I went underwater.
Really?
Yeah.
Hi guys! Good morning! Welcome back sa channel natin. Today is Tuesday and it is maaga pa. It's 7:40 in the morning. Nandito tayo ngayon sa bathroom kasi maghihilamos lang si mommy niyo guys. So, I know dito sa channel natin, hindi ko talaga naipapakita sa inyo yung parang pagre-ready ko sa umaga, ganyan. Kasi pag nag-start ako ng vlog, pag nasa labas na kami or papalabas na kami. So, since nagka-chance tayo today, kasi tulog pa yung dalawa, alam niyo ba, Baby Celine woke up at 5:40 ng umaga. At yun yung time na nag-ready na yung daddy niya papunta ng work. So, ayun, buti nakatulog ulit. Kaya sabi ko, perfect. Pakakapaghilamos ako at yeah, I'll try to share with you my morning routine para sa tawag ito, skincare. Ganun, kung ano yung ginagamit ko sa aking best luck. Today is going to be a very exciting day for Ate Paris. Actually, for everyone. Kasi today is yung official first day ng ating Ate Paris sa kanyang kindergarten. Can you believe it, guys? She is going to kindergarten now. Hindi na siya baby, guys. Hindi na baby ang ating Ate Paris. But, so, ngayon yung start niya. And then, dadalhin ko siya doon just before, hopefully, just before 9 o'clock. Actually, yung kanilang school, yung kindergarten, open na sila from 6:30. But then, meron na silang, yung papasok na sila doon sa room kung saan mag-start yung kanilang activities, mag-start ng 9 o'clock. So, I'll get myself ready now, and then mamaya, pagkagising nila, oh my God, yes, mom life, ma-ready ko na rin sila. So, first thing first, ang aking, may muta pa ba? Ang aking ginagamit na cleanser sa aking face ay INAY. This is from Neutrogena. Alam niyo ba, sobrang tagal na sa akin to. Galing pa to ng Melbourne ba? Kasi, ganyan lang naman, ang ginagamit. Tapos, ang daming laman, 175 grams. Tingnan niyo, brightening. So, hindi siya whitening hapat. Nakaka-bright ba? Yung ginagamit ko is yung facial tissue to dry it. Kasi, sabi nila na yung mga towels, yung mga ganito, kahit yung face towels, is nagkakaroon yan sila ng bacteria. Yun yung sabi nila, ha? Kaya, maigi na yung gamitin ay yung tissue, yung facial tissue, para hindi ka, magkataghiyawan. So, today ay magmamask. Magmamask tayo, guys. So, after nun, guys, nagtutoner lang ako. So, meron akong Eskinol. Ito yung ginagamit ko na Eskinol. Pero, sa gabi ko lang to siya ginagamit. Pag umaga, itong toner lang na refreshing from ayan. And since magana ako, magmamask tayo. Para ma-refresh naman ang ating best luck. So, ito yung gagamitin natin. ARAW Ultra Hydrating Essence Mask. Sa ano ko lang yan binibili? Sa eBay ko lang yan binibili, guys. Ang bilis lang dumating. Hindi pa siya masyadong kamahalan ba? Ayan. Saan ba to? 15 to 30 minutes. So, ilalagay ko lang to siya sa aking best luck. Until, siguro magising. Kasi magigising na yan. Kahit hindi sila magising, kailangan ko silang gising. Kasi, yeah. School time na for Ate Paris. Nakapag-ready na pala ako ng breakfast niya. Nandun na sa bench. Kakain na yun siya pagkagising niya. And then, I'll just get them ready. It's important na unahin mo natin ating sarili para pag mamaya, pagkagising nila, ay sila na lang yung aking aalagaan. I-ready. Nakapagkape na pala ako guys kasi nga diba, as mentioned, kanina pa nagising si baby silly natin.
A few moments later.
Hello, tita and tito. Gising na. Say hi, Zoe. Say good morning, Zoe. Say good morning, tita and tito.
Good morning.
Good morning, big girl. Are you excited for your first day?
Why? I really don't want you to leave.
Okay, I'm gonna wait for you outside, okay? Alright, you're a big girl. Have a look na, nanuhan ko na siya guys. Oh, na-change ko na yung kanyang damit. Don't be scared. Mommy will be there. And then, ginanyan ko ang kanyang hair. Do you like your hair? Gosh, big girl naman kay Kati. Don't be scared. Mommy will be... Mommy and Paris. Mommy and Celine are staying. Okay? Look. You open. Ate, open your mouth. Yeah. So, another exciting thing for her today, guys. Kasi every Tuesday sa kanilang school, may swimming sila. So, kailangan siyang i-enroll dyan, ha? So, it's a different, it's a different fee. But we thought that it's going to be really good for Paris, like learning how to swim. So, yesterday, bumili kami nito. Na. Ate. Her goggles. And itong swimming cap. Ayan. So, and then ito yung ko sa kanya. So, ito yung nakita.
Hey, that's my swimming suit.
Yeah, I know. That's why I have this in your bag. Oh, are you taking this?
Yeah.
You're taking this? Okay, just show it to the teacher, okay? Okay, so the teacher will tell. Yeah, you excited?
Yeah.
Yes. Super good, guys. Kasi, I think na-mention ko na before sa vlog na 3 days namin siyang in-enroll. So, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. So, yung Tuesday, yung main nila na event is yung swimming lessons. And then, Thursday, meron silang Japanese na lessons. So, you're going to learn Japanese now. Say, ni hao. Can you say ni hao?
Ni hao.
Yeah. And then, Fridays, they are doing yoga. So...
I don't want to play yoga.
You don't want yoga? Why not? Why not?
Because I'm going to play yoga a long time ago.
Sabot. Ang ating baby Celine ay still sleeping, guys, but I'm going to wake her up because we need to go very soon. I'm so excited for you, my love. My big girl. Ginising ko ang maliit. Kailangan gisingin si Aling maliit. Because Ate will be late. Hey, how was your nap? How was your nap?
How do you...
Sit down, Ate. Sit down. How was your nap, sweetie girl? Ayan, nabihisan ko na yan siya, guys. Mamaya ko na linisan tong kwarto. Kasi, we are going for a walkies. Maglalakad lang kasi kami, guys. Sobrang lapit lang. Kaya ayokong mag-drive. What's that?
Can you take this off?
Be, put it on. Ayaw, gumot tayong buhok na. Be. Good girl.
Hello.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready, steady, go! Go, go! Big girl ni mama. Kalamit sa pahiyom eh. Kalamit sa pahiyom sa baby. I love you, sweetie girl. I love you.
Which one using?
The one we went to last time.
No.
What no?
I don't like it, boy.
Ganyan talaga yan siya, guys. Kapag ano, pero pagdating dun, sobrang happy na.
I'm going to bed school next time.
Yeah, you're going to ballerina on Saturdays.
No, I don't want to go to the pool.
Arte na.
And I don't want to go. Mama.
Nice! We are going. Have a look at our big girl. Nak, smells it for Mommy Nakbe? Oh, Jesus! Big girl. At nandito ang isa. What are you eating now? Okay, gusto niyo sumakay doon sa, alam niyo yung kinoconnect ko dyan. Sabi ko na, you're a big girl.
Like a snail.
You do look like a snail. You're a beautiful snail, my love. Hindi na kailangan mag-car, guys, kasi
I like a
kahit
shell.
dito, oh, kita na nga, oh.
But
Lala,
I have
give-
a shell.
Quick na, because I think it's gonna rain. Did you drink your water?
Inside.
Okay. Keep going. She's here now. Are you excited? Yeah? Where's your bag? Umiiyak na si Mama, you guys. Yeah. Carry your bag. You go in. Are you excited? Ready? Up. Okay, let's go. Goodbye. Have a good day, Selene.
A few moments later.
It's nearly 12 o'clock, people. Kitchen tayo. Kanina pa pala kami nakauwi ni Baby Celine. Pag-uwi namin, pinaliguan ko siya. And then, ayun, nakatulog. So, may chance tayo ngayon nagmawa ng kanyang pagkain. I'm trying to do this one, guys. So, this is the naiwan dito na pear. I think it's too ripe. Or maybe it's perfect ba? Hindi ko pa kasi ito na-try before. So, gusto kong gumawa ng pear puree for Baby Celine. Kasi, the last few days, yung binigay ko sa kanya is avocado puree and sweet potato puree. So, I wanna give this a go now. I think okay lang naman. So, sa labas kasi, guys, merong mga ganyan. So, it looks like bruise lang naman. Hindi naman yan siya sira talaga. So, just peel it. Tapos, pa-anuhan. Ano tawag sa Tagalog yun, guys? Ay, pabukalan. Pa-boil, guys, ba? Kayo na mag-adjust sa akin. I was crying before, guys, when I left Paris. Kasi, I can't believe na, you know, my little girl is going to kindergarten now. And napaluha talaga ako. I hugged her nung nasa daan pa kami, nung papasok kami sa school. Sabi ko, Mommy and Daddy and Celine, we're very proud of you. And then she looked at me and she said like, don't cry, Mommy. So I'm like, yeah, I'm just very happy, anak. So she's there now around 3 o'clock. Yun yung swimming nila. So, yung swimming pool na pupuntahan nila, malapit lang daw dito. So, I think they're just going to walk. Marami din naman sila, guys, sa kindergarten. So, makakauwi daw sila mga around 3:30, sabi ng teacher. So, pipick upin natin si Ate Paris natin. Around 4:30. Ganun. Yeah. I can't wait to hear everything about today. Also, ang ating Daddy Mike ay very, very excited as well. Nagme-message siya sa akin kung how was Paris when I dropped her. You know, was she crying? Was she happy? Daddy Mike talaga eh. So, ayan. It looks like this. Very soft na siya, guys. Buti na lang din ngayon may kumakain na nito kasi bumibili ako for the Paris and then she'll end up not eating it. Sayang lang ba? So ngayon, pag soft na ripe na talaga, pwede na nating magawang puree for baby Celine. Magbuboil lang ako ng tubig. It's been a while na nagkaroon ako ng time na ganito. Hirap kasi guys kapag, alam niyo, pag dalawang kids, tapos pag wala sa school, sa Paris, nandito. She's just all over the place. Tapos nandyan pa si baby Celine. So, at least ngayon, nakatulog. Pagkagising nun, we'll try to give this to her. And see if she likes it. Gusto ko pang magsaing ba ng kanin. Kasi yung tita Christine ko, binigyan niya ako ng alamang. Alamang ba yun? Uyap ba? Uyap. Tingnan niyo. Oh, it smells so good. Ayan, shrimp fry. Oh, bagoong alamang nga. Oh, my God. It smells so good. Kain tayo lunch, guys. Gluto ako ng kanin. Tapos, yung sabi ko na bagoong alamang. Oh my God. I already had 1 spoon. Sobrang sarap. Oh my goodness. Naglalaway talaga ako, guys. Sarap nito kapag may mangga, diba? Kaya lang wala tayong mangga eh. Siguro sa weekend, punta kami sa mga pinsan ko sa Asian shop. Kasi meron daw silang mga doon, mga ganyan. Nag-chat-chat kami ng Madra Bells ko. Ayan, oh. I tried to call her. Walang sagot. Wala siguro. Nakarinig sa tawag ko. Ayan. Sinend ko yung sabi ko. Nagluto ako ng pagkain ni Celine. Sabi niya, what kind of food? What kind of food daw? Anong klaseng pagkain daw yan, guys, oh? Kagising lang ng ating baby girl. Nag-vlog ko, ma. Video call kami ng mama ko, guys. Ayan, no? Tinan niyo. Tumatawa siya.
Ay, tita. Hi, baby.
Ay, ano? Tanawa yung gusto ya Paris, Benny. Gusto siyang t-shirt ni Paris. Maulaw ka di ay. Maulaw ka di.
Tanan ka guwapa mo mata, sis.
Tingnan niyo, guys.
Papa.
Tulot lang. Say hi. Say hi to my vlog. Hello.
Hi. Hi, vlog. Hi, vlog me. Hi,
My-
everyone.
Madra Bells and my sister.
Good morning. Morning pa tayo. Afternoon naman tayo dyan.
Afternoon, oy.
Morning.
Chika pa
Morning.
more. Chika pa more. The little one didn't like the pear. We'll keep introducing it, yeah? Yeah? Tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo. Medyo maasim kasi siya, guys. Yung ating pear. Matamis na may pagkaasim-asim. Kaya yung mukha niya ay hindi maipinta. Nak, no? Huh? So, I'm just gonna make her Cerelac, guys. Ito. So, konti lang yung nilagay ko. Basta lang sa kanya try. Nagdede na naman yan siya. Konti. Hindi ko siya pinufull pagdede para may space sa kanyang food. Nak na! It's good that at least, she tried it. She's got an idea. Yes, may idea ka na, na? what pear tastes like? Huh? Here's Ate Paris, guys.
I'm going to see
I'm just gonna ask you one question. Did you have a good day?
Yeah.
Yes. Did you have fun swimming?
Yeah.
Oh, apparently she was very brave with the swimming. Did you go underwater?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. What's this?
A car.
A car. Nandito po kami sa loob, guys, kasi umuulan sa labas. Hi! Hello! Look, did you cuddle Silly? Yeah? She cuddled her. Tingnan niyo. Tawa dahil ang kapatid, oy. Si Celine missed you, honey. Celine missed you. Ate.
I was really scared before.
Why?
I didn't want to go. But I went underwater, jumped in the water, pick a fish.
Pick a fish.
And a jellyfish I throw in the water.
Did you?
Play in the car.
Yeah, we walked here now. So we will go walk to the shops, get something for dinner, and maybe they have gluten in there. Give Mama Karobi. Oh, I'm so proud.
Just remember I got
What did you eat? What did you eat?
Oranges. Banana.
Yeah.
And some ham and cheese sandwich. Can you give that to me?
A ham and cheese sandwich?
Yeah, can you?
Do you want Mama to make you one?
Yeah.
Gusto siguro niya, guys. Oh, can you give it to me? It's not the same?
No.
Okay, I'll ask the teacher how they've done it so Mama can do it for you, okay? Ewan ko kung ano
Which one's not the
I will
same?
have a look at this one. You get home.
Which one's not the same?
The sandwich?
Oh.
Have you been drinking water, my love?
Yeah.
Good. So good. Silini, are you happy to see Ate Paris now?
Ay!
Nakauwi na kami, guys. Grabe. Inulan kami, oh. Sobra yung takbo namin ba? Yes. Nakapaglaro na sa kanyang scooter. Sabi ko, laro ko muna ng scooter mo bago tayo akyat. Kulong mo. Nini! Okay, okay. Wow, that's a good break. Again, okay. Wow, good turn, honey. Good job. Pupunta sana kami ng shops, guys, kasi bili ako ng zucchini for gawin namin zucchini fritter ba para sa kanya. Muulan man nak pa. Huy nak, ano yung mananggi ka nak? Here, play with your doll. Oh, Josh, kaon na rin sa. Uy! Paak dito sa.
1, 2, 3.
Yung tatay din nila, nag-message na, sabi niya he's coming home na daw. Nasa ferry na siya. Careful, ate. He's super happy, nak. Daddy's super happy.
Why?
Because you've done well at school. The teacher said you were very brave. You went swimming. And you told them about you.
I was crying when I was sleeping.
Where did you sleep?
I was sleeping in the toy room, but
In the toy room?
yeah, and I was crying.
Which toy room?
The one before. The one with costumes.
Which one? In our house?
No, in the school one.
In school?
Yeah,
Why were you crying?
cause I just wanted to go swimming.
You didn't want to go swimming?
Yes. Well, I was crying. That's why I cried.
Don't cry, nak. You're a big girl naman.
Mommy.
A few moments later.
Daddy's home.
Daddy's got a question for you. How was swimming?
I went underwater.
Really?
Yeah, it was Tito.
And Tito helped you? And did you have fun? Did you cry?
Yeah.
And was Scarlett there?
Yeah.
Did you play with her?
Yeah.
You did?
But I have enough fun. I was crying
Why?
in the bed because I didn't want to have a sleep. I just wanted to go swimming.
She was crying in a bed at school?
Yeah, because she just want to go swimming.
Ah. And what did the teacher say to you?
Maybe later.
Maybe later. and tell me, come here.
But the teacher said she made a few more friends.
Did you make new friends? Boys or girls?
Boys and girls again.
Did they like you?
Yeah.
But she doesn't know the names.
You don't know their names? And what did you learn at school?
She went to the toilet, but she didn't. What, did you do anything now for the toilet or no? Daddy wants to talk to you.
I just want to ask
We
you.
want to know.
I want to know about your day, honey. I want to know what you did when you were there.
Don't put that in your mouth, please.
Tell me. Tell me about your day?
I don't know.
So when you got there, what did you do when you first got to your school?
Play together.
With who?
Kayak.
And what games did you play?
Losers.
Huh? Building. And did you play? And did you read any books today with the teachers? What book did the teacher read?
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
What book was it?
Baby.
Oh, I didn't know.
And when you went to the swimming, what did you do in the pool?
I went underwater.
What else did you do? Did you go? Did you play in the pool? Did you play games?
Gusto na niyang magpapasin.
And I got the rod, and he let me swim, and I then went underwater, and I got the rod.
You got the red.
Time check, guys. It's now 9:50 ng gabi. Ang ating baby Celine ay Sleeping Beauty na. Kami lang dito ngayon nasa lunchroom. Kasi nanonood pa ang ating Ate Paris ng kanyang, what movie are you watching na?
Superheroes.
Superheroes? Are you a superhero? Who's your superhero? Hmm?
I don't know.
Who?
I don't know.
You don't know? Sinasabi niya, sleeping na raw siya, guys. Pero, tinatapos lang niya ito. Ito na yung sleepy. Oh, hindi na sleepy. Sleeping talaga. Tulog na. Tulog na. So, you had a great day at school today? Yeah?
I'm sweating.
Hmm?
I'm sweating.
What happened?
I'm sweating.
You're sweating? Oh, yeah, you were sweating today.
I'm sweating.
Because you done a lot of moving, yeah?
What?
A lot of moving. So, tingnan nyo ang kanyang hair. Kulot na siya, guys. So, I undo the, the braid. See? We're so proud of you, my love. Anyways, we will end the vlog here now, guys. Maraming salamat for watching today's video. Sana na-enjoy nyo ang video na to. Katulad ng pag-enjoy ng ating Ate Paris sa kanyang school today. So, bukas wala siyang school kasi Wednesday. So, balik siya ng school Thursday and Friday. So, it will be really good. We'll just do a quick shout out kasi sobrang tagal na namin hindi nakapag-shout out, guys. Shout out to Delaney Prince. Shout out to Alma Mikaler, Feli Ilamparo, Rosemary Verzon, Ria Ann Capa, Maricar Castaneda, Claudine Reid, Riz Chano, Janzi Pinay Australia, Pete Pulido, Annabelle Alter, Margie Rapsing, Pinky Tommy, Norma Dalimuos, Flor Bueno, Esmeralda, Star Gemini, 3970071, Julie Mendoza, Yet Balino, and Ferlita Malatag. Ayan, so that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Oh, thumbs up if you like it, and make sure to hit the subscribe.
Mommy, I just found these monies in the floor and the shoe.
Oh,
But they're not $2.
they're not $2. It's okay. Mama will give you $2 tomorrow, okay?
No.
Okay?
Yeah.
And we hope to see you all in the next one. Ate Paris, don't forget to be good, and if you can,
Careful. Bye.
bye.
Mwah.